Good morning, everyone. Today, class we have discussed the conjunctions. What is the definition of the conjunction, the chemical reactivation of the conjunction, and what is the minimum air requirement of the burning of the fuel. And previous class we have discussed the working principle of BAM calorimeter and Jenker's gas calorimeter, and how to solve the problems of BAM calorimeter and Jenker gas calorimeter. Today class we have discussed the what is the conversion process, what is the conversion definition of the conversion, and the chemical equation of reaction to conversion, the quantity of air required, the mass analysis of real amount of air required. Today class we have discussed and go through this. So objective of this, the what is the conjunction equations, composition of air, minimum air requirement of the for the conjunction. So what is the conjunction? Conjunction is a process burning of fuel. It is a chemical reaction of elements with oxygen which associate with liberation of the heat. Once again, combustion is a process of burning of fuel. It is a chemical reaction of the element of oxygen which is associated with the liberation of the heat. A reaction is said to be chemical compound formed by the combination of elements when compound decomposited is a compound is decomposed or deassociates into separate elements. Combustion is a process. Combustion is a one of import of energy. Converts the process in which the energy in the fuel is released by an exothermic chemical reaction. The thermal energy can be converted into mechanical energy in many systems such as the steam plant, IC engine, and gas turbines. Once again, repeat. A reaction is said to be when a chemical compound formed by the combination of elements when compound is decomposed there is H2O then is CO2 that is decomposed C plus O2 that in separate elements. Conversion is a one of important energy into into conversion of process in which energy is released by exothermic chemical reaction, and the thermal energy can be converted into mechanical energy by means of such as a steam plant, IC engine, gas turbine. In steam plant, there is coal, there is a combustion. Coal is some amount of carbon is there. There is a combustion, it takes the C plus O2, CO2. Then IC engines, what is IC engines? There is a fuel is burning is there. The fuel is a petrol, oil is burning. There is a one here combustion process occurs. Then gas turbine, gas is burned. In combustion process, combustible elements which reacts with the oxygen from compound and to liberate to heat. The major combustible elements in a fuels are carbon, hydrogen, sulfur. The compound formed by the complete combustion of these elements are followed hydrogen, um, helmet hydrogen, water vapor H2O, and carbon dioxide CO2, and sulfur dioxide SO2. Once again, repeat. In combustible process, elements reacts with the oxygen to form up the compound and liberate to heat. The major combustible elements in fuel are carbon, hydrogen, sulfur. The compounds are formed to by combustion. These elements are follows hydrogen, element, compound is a H2O, and carbon dioxide is a com- compound, and sulfur dioxide is a element. So once again, little what is the combustion? And combustion is a transfer burning of fuel. It is a chemical reaction elements with oxygen associated with the liberate the heat. Some chemical reactions like CO2, C plus O2 comes chemical reaction with combined with the oxygen, liberation of the heat. A reaction said to occur when a chemical compound formed by the combination of elements in a compound decomposes into separate elements. Combustion is one of the important energy conversion of process in which the energy in fuel is released by the exothermic chemical reaction. This thermal energy can be converted into mechanical energy. Many systems that have the examples of steam power plant, I see in gas turbine. In combustible elements reacts with the compound to liberate to heat. The major combustible elements are carbon, hydrogen, sulfur. In combustible compounds are formed by this follows. There is a element hydrogen, compound is a water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. The combustion of real oxygen is obtained from the atmosphere. In combustion problem, it is necessary to estimate the quantity of air required to burn a given fuel. To do this, basic knowledge of elements and their compounds are required. Then, the details of the atomic mass and molecular mass important to their compounds. The molecular mass of a compound, the sum of total atomic masses, they consist of the elements. For example, carbon dioxide made up two organic atomic, there is a O2, one atom is a carbon. The molecular mass of carbon dioxide, therefore, 2 into 16 plus 20 12. Carbon molecular weight is 12 and oxygen molecular weight is 16. There is 2 oxygen 2 into 16 plus 12 44. The molecular mass of atomic mass are obtained refer to molecular weight and atomic weight of the respectively. Then once again, then burning of the carbon in combustion equations. The chemical reaction of the stoichiometry. The burning of the combination of molecular may be expressed by equation and is generally be referred as a reaction. The reaction must be satisfy the following conditions. First one is the total number of atoms each kind of each kind is same before after the reaction. The total number of atoms are they count each kind of the same before after the reaction. Before the reaction, each separate element usually existing as a complete molecules. The total number of atoms at first point. The total number of atoms of each kind is the same before after the reaction. Before reaction, each separate element usually con- existing of the molecules. So burning of the carbon to carbon monoxide. The 2C plus O2. Then two carbons, 2O2, 2CO plus C2. Substituting of the molecular mass, here 2 into 12 plus 32, 2 into 12 plus 16, 24 plus 32. Here carbon is 12, 24 plus 32. Here 56. Here also 12 plus 16 is 28, 28 to the 56. So here 24 is common. So 1 plus 4 by 3. 1 24 by 24 plus 32 by 24 plus 56 by 24. Here 30 that 24 8 3 are 24 8 4 are 32. Here 8 7 are 56 8 3 are 24. 1 kg of carbon requires the 4 by 3 kg of oxygen from 7 by 3 kg of the carbon monoxide. And burning of the CO2. Once again repeat. Here, once again repeat the burning of the carbon to carbon monoxide. 2C plus O2, 2CO plus CT. Substituting the molecular mass we get 2C plus O2, 2CO plus E. Here, substituting the molecular mass. Here, carbon molecular mass is 12, oxygen is at 16, then 2 quantities 2 into 16, 32. 2 into 12 plus 32 plus 2 into 12 plus 16, 24 plus 32 equal to 56. There is a common of the 24, 24 by 24 plus 32 by 24 plus 56 by 24. Here 24 by 24 equal to 1. There is a 32 by 24. Here 8 4 is 32. 8 3 is 24. Here 8 7 is 8 7 is 56. 8 3 is 24. 1 kg of the carbon requires the 4 by 3 kg of oxygen to form a 7 by 3 kg of carbon monoxide. So next we go through the burning of burning of carbon CO2, carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. The complete conversion cross represented. 2CO plus O2, 2CO2, some amount of less heat. Carbon monoxide to producing of the carbon dioxide. 2CO plus O2, 2CO2 plus O2. Here oxygen is 2 plus 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2 the 4. Okay, carbon 2C, 2C. Okay, na? Is it next? You calculate the molecular mass 2, 12 plus 16 into 2 plus oxygen is 60. There is a 2 quantity 2 into 16 32 and 2 into 12. Oxygen is 2. So that 16 into 2 32. There is a 56 plus 32. Here 80 equal to 88. Here 12 plus 32. How much is it? 4 plus 4. 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 44, 44 to the 82, 88. Here also 56, 32, 88. So here common of the 56, common of the 56, 56 by 56 and 32 by 56 and 88 by 56. Here common, multiply with divided by 8, there's a 51 plus 8 4 to 32, 8 7 to 56. Then 8 11 to 88, 8 7 to 56. So here that is 1 kg of carbon monoxide means to 4 by 7 kg of the oxygen to from 11 by 7 kg of CO2. Once again repeat. Burning of CO2, CO carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. 2CO plus O2 equal to 2CO2 plus here. Here, carbon molecular mass is 12 and oxygen is 16. 2 into 12 plus 16. Then O2, this 16 into 2, 32. That equal to carbon dioxide 2 into 12 plus 32. 56 plus 32. Here 88. You common the 56, then 56 by 56, there is a 1. 32 by 56 plus 88 by 56. Here 1 plus 8 4 to 32, 8 7 to 56, 8 11 to 88, 8 7 to 56. That is 1 kg of carbon monoxide needs to 4 by 7 kg of 4 by K 7 kg of O2 to from 11 by 7 kg of CO2. 1 kg of carbon when needs a 4 by 7 kg of oxygen is required, and to this reaction is occurs, we form the 11 by 7 kg of CO2 is formed. So in other words, O2. Then burning of hydrogen to water or steam. Water or steam. So burning of hydrogen 2H2 plus 2, 2H4. Hydrogens are 4, 2H2 4, O2 ORs 2, O2 2O2 4 plus 8. Oxygen hydrogen is 2, 1, 2, 2 into 2 plus 32. Then 2 into 2 plus 16. 4 plus 30 with 36. Here common of the 4. 4 by 4, 32 by 4 and 36 by 4. 1 plus 4 by 4 8 to 32, 4 9 to 36. Once again repeat. 2H2 plus O2 equal to 2H2O plus heat. 2 into 2 plus 32. 2 plus 2 plus 6. 2 into 2 plus 16 equal to 36. 4 plus 32 equal to 36. Here 4 is common. 1 plus 4 is common. 1 plus 32 by 4 plus 36 by 4. Then class 32 by 4, 4 8 to 32 and 4 9 to 36. Here 1 kg of H2 requires the 8 kgs of O2 to from 9 kgs of water of the steam is formed. 1 kg of hydrogen requires the 8 kgs of oxygen from 9 kgs of the water of the steam. Once again, repeat. Burning of the hydrogen to water or steam. 2H2 plus O2, 2H2O plus O8, 2 into 2 plus 32, 2 plus 2 16, that 4 plus 32 equal to 36. Here, common of the 4, 1 plus 8, 32 by 4 and 36 by 4, 1 plus 8 4 to 32, 32, 8 and 8, 8 9 to 36. So 1 plus 8 equal to 9. 1 kg of the H2 requires the 8 kgs of O2 from 9 kgs of water of the steam. Burning of the sulfur to sulfur dioxide. Sulfur to sulfur dioxide. So sulfur S plus O2 equal to SO2 heat. S sulfur molecular weight 32, oxygen is 16 into 2, 32. SO2 32 plus 32. 32 plus 32 equal to 64. Here, common of the 32, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Once again, the bonding of the sulfur to sulfur dioxide. S plus O2 equal to SO2 plus heat. 30 sulfur molecular weight is 32. 32 plus 32 equal to 32 plus 32. 32 plus 32 equal to 64. Common of the 32. 1 plus 1. 64 by 32. 32 by 32. 32 by 32 is 64 by 32. We get 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 kg of the sulfur requires 1 kg of oxygen and 2 kg of sulfur dioxide. 1 kg of the sulfur reaction with 1 kg of the oxygen we producing of the 2 kgs of the sulfur dioxide. We go through the carbon to carbon dioxide. Carbon to carbon dioxide producing the C plus O2, CO2, carbon plus O2 plus CO2 plus C. 12 plus 32, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16 into 2, 32, plus carbon CO 12 plus 30, O2 is a 16 into 2, 32. 12 plus 32 is a 44. You come on the 12. 12, 1 by 12 plus 32 by 12, 44 by 12. Here 4 3 is 12, 4 8 is 32. Here 4 11 is 44, 4 3 4 3 is 12. Burning of the carbon to carbon dioxide. C plus O2 CO2, C plus O2 CO2 heat. Here carbon is 1, carbon is 1, oxygen is 2, oxygen is 2. Then carbon molecular weight is 2, then oxygen is that 16, there is 2 components, 2 into 16, 32. 12 plus 32, 12 plus 32 equal to 44. 1 place, 1 place, 8 by 3 equal to 11 by 3. 1 kg of the oxygen, 1 kg of the oxygen burning with the carbon, burning with the 8 by 3 kg of the oxygen, the producing of the 11 by 3 of the carbon dioxide. We go to the burning of methane. Burning of methane, CH4 plus 2O2, methane CH4 2O2 equal to CO2 H2 H2O. Here carbon is one, carbon is H4 is H4 2 H2 4 O2 4 O2 plus O2 4 4. Then carbon is a 1, hydrogen is a 4 into 1, oxygen 2 into O2 that 16 into 2 32 plus 12 plus 32 plus 2 into 2 plus 16. 16 plus 64, 44 plus 36. Let's say common of the 16. 1 by 16, 64 by 16, 44 by 16, 36 by 16. There is a 1 plus 16 4, 16 4 to 64. There is a 4 11 ja, 16 4, 4 11 ja 44 and 4 2 16, 16 4 4 16. Here 36 and 4 9 to 36 by 4, 64. Once again, CH4 plus PO2 equal to CO2 plus 2H2O. 2A plus 4 plus 2 32. 2A plus 32 plus 2 into 2 plus 16. 16 plus 64 equal to 44 plus 36. 1 plus 4. 11 by 4 plus 9 by 4. Here common of the 16. 64 by 4. 16 by 64 by 4, that is a 16, and 11, 11 pardon, 64, 44 by 64, 4 4 is 16, 4 4 4 is 16, and 64 11 is 44. Here 36 by 4, there is a 36 by 64, 4 4 is 16, 4 9 is 34. That is 1 kg of the methane requires the 4 kg of the CO2 and we can produce the 11 by 4 kg of the CO2 and 9 by 4 kg of the H2O once again. Then once again we put that From above the results, the oxygen required to the complete combustion, 1 kg of fuel may be expressed as oxygen required. Here, table is the substance carbon, sulfur, hydrogen. O2 required to burning of the 1 kg of sulfur. In the 4 by 3 case, product to the CO requires 1 by 3 kg. Then C, 8 by 3 kg, CO2, 7 by 3 kg. Sulfur 1 kg, SO2 is the product, right of the product 2 kg. Hydrogen, H 8 kg, H2O product 9 kg. Minimum O2 required the complete combustion 8 by 3, 8H2 plus S, 8H2S. Generally, quantity of air is in combustion problems. It is necessary to find the minimum air required to burn the fuel completely. When the constitutions of the fuel is known, theoretical quantity of air and is required to complete combustion. 1 kg of air without any oxygen appear the product of the combustion are required for this combustion. And the product of the combustion can be easily calculated with the help of simple chemical reaction. For calculation purpose, composition of atmospheric air can be found. The oxygen by mass is 23% and nitrogen is 77%. By volume, oxygen is 21%, nitrogen is 79%. Once again repeat. In convertible problem, find the it is necessary to find the minimum air required to burn fuel completely when the constituents of the fuel is known as the theoretical or quantity of air, and that when quantity of air required to complete combustion of 1 kg of air without any oxygen appearing the product of combustion required for its combustion and product. Combustion can be easily calculated with help of the simple chemical reaction. For calculation purpose, atmospheric air is followed as oxygen is 23%, nitrogen is 77%. By volume, oxygen is 21%, nitrogen is 79%. So here, minimum air requirement is the complete combustion 1 kg of fuel. Oxygen is 8 by 3 carbon plus 8H2 plus S. The air contains 23% of the O2 and 77% of the N2 either by mass or by weight, and 21% of the O2 and 79% of the volume. 79% of the O2. So the, the minimum air requirement of the 1 kg of fuel equal to 100 by 23, 8 by 3C plus 8H2 plus S minus O2 kg per kilogram. Here, products of CO2 equal to 11 by 3C and product and H2 is 9H2 and SO2 is a 2S. Here C, H2, S, O2 mass of the carbon, hydrogen and sulfur 1 kg of the fuel. In what is the excess air? We require the what is the excess, what is the air fuel ratio, and the minimum amount of air required to complete combustion of the fuel. In practice, the excess of the mass of the air over the above the minimum supply to ensure the complete combustion. However, too much excess air has to be cooling effect of the combustion process and avoid the cooling effect of air preheated before entering into the furnace. The excess air supplied of the generally express value percentage of the minimum mass required to complete combustion thus per kg of fuel. The percentage of excess air equal to total air is supplied minus minimum air required by minimum air required into 100. The percentages of the excess actual air is supplied minus theoretical air required by theoretical air required into 100. What is the excess air? The excess air if you supply the 100% of air, then using only 90%, 10% is excess. That is excess air you find out there. So how to find out the minimum amount of air required to complete the combustion of the air here? And In excess mass of air above the minimum supply ensure the complete combustion. However, to the much excess air has to be cooling. Excess air has to be cooling effect and combustion is a process. To avoid this cooling effect, excess air avoiding this cooling process before entering of the furnace, before entering into the to avoid this cooling effect, the air is preheated before entering into the furnace. Though the excess air equal to percentage of required total air required supplied minus minimum air required by minimum air required into 100. The excess air equal to actual air is supplied equal to minus theoretical air required by theoretical air into 100. The amount of air actually supplied depends on the many factors. Typical volumes of excess air is supplied and excess air is supplied generally range 25 to 50%. Excess air is appears in the product of the combustion as oxygen and nitrogen. What is the air fuel ratio? The ratio of the mass of fuel, chemical reaction is called as the air fuel ratio. Mm. The air fuel ratio equal to mass of air by mass of fuel. Mass of air by mass of fuel. So summary of this, what is the combustion of air and what is the combustion of equation? What is the minimum air required to do the combustion of the fuel? So what is the combustion? Combustion is the process of burning of fuel. It is a chemical reaction of the elements which oxygen which is associated with the liberation of the heat. So combustion is what is the combustion? Combustion is the burning of the fuel. If chemical, what is how to burn them? With some chemical reaction. There's some chemicals are reaction of the chemicals are elements are reaction with the presence of the oxygen, which is associated with the liberation of the heat. The the liberation of the heat is producing burning of the fuel. Burning of the fuel means there is some amount of heat is releasing there. The major compounds of elements are carbon, hydrogen, sulfur. The compounds are formed by the complete combustion of these elements are hydrogen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Then there is a combustion of the equations. There is a summary of the combustion of the equations following of the two. The total number of atoms each kind of the same before after the reaction. If you the total number of atoms reaction is occurs some two element H2 plus O2. Here hydrogen quantity is there 4, oxygen quantity is there 2. Here after reaction there is 2 H2O. Then hydrogen is there 4 and oxygen is 2. That's the first point. Before reaction each separate element usually exists in the complete molecule. There is each element the 2H2 plus O2 the complete element is 2H2O. Is an example of the rules. Is it clear? And here combustion is the minimum air requirement. There is a box is there. So substance of the carbon substance water required to 1 kg of substance. Then C 4 by 3 kg of oxygen, product is CO 11 by 3 kg of production and carbon 8 by 3 kg of O2 required, producing of the CO2 11 by 3 kg of the CO2 is required. Sulfur and 1 kg of the sulfur, 1 kg of the water required, product is S2, 2 kg of the S2 is produced. Hydrogen and 8 kg of the oxygen required and H2O, 9 kg of H2O is producing them. The minimum air requirement of the complete combustion 1 kg of the 8 by 3 of the carbon plus 8 H2 plus S. Air contains 23% of the O2 and 77% of the N2 and by weight, saving of the 21% of the O2, 79% of the N2 by volume. Then total minimum air required with the complete combustion of the process 100 by 23 plus 8 by 3 into C plus 8 H2 plus S minus O2 kg of the production of CO2 is 11 by 3, H2O is 9 S2, SO2 is 2S. Air contains nitrogen by volume 79%. Air contained by mass 47%. Carbon burns with O2, CO2 and CO and A and B and H2O, A and B. Frequently asked, what is the combustion? What is the combustion equation? Write the composition by air and composition by mass and volume. Write the expression of the minimum air requirement to the